Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss some more NCERT examples. First is example 4.5. Here we have an element delta L is equal to delta X I cap which is placed at origin and it carries a large current of 10 ampere. We need to find the magnetic field on the y-axis at a distance of 0.5 meter and value of delta X is 1 centimeter. So first of all, whenever we have to calculate the magnetic field through a current element, we apply Biot-Savart's law. According to Biot-Savart's law, dB is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi IDL sin theta upon r cube. Here dl is equal to delta x is equal to 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. I is equal to 10 ampere. The value of r is, the distance is 0.5 meter and dl is, and mu naught upon 4 pi is equal to 10 raised to power minus 7. Here the value of theta will be 90 degree because the angle between x-axis and y-axis is 90 degree. Now you will put the values and you will get the value of the magnitude. For the direction of magnetic field, डायरेक्शन किससे निकलेगी? dl क्रॉस r, वेयर डेल्टा एक्स आई कैप इंटू वाई जे कैप, वाई डेल्टा एक्स इंटू आई कैप क्रॉस जे कैप, जो किसकी वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी? वाई डेल्टा एक्स के कैप. हमें पता है आई कैप क्रॉस जे कैप इज के कैप, विच मीन्स द फील्ड इज टूवर्ड्स द z axis. Next we have the next example is example 4.7. Here what we have, consider a tightly wound 100-ton coil of radius 10 centimeter carrying a current of 1 ampere. We need to find the magnitude of magnetic field at the center of the coil. Here it is given that the coil is tightly wound, मतलब जो सारे टर्न्स हैं उनका सेम रेडियस होगा, दैट इज 10 सेंटीमीटर which is equal to 10 into 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. Current is 1 ampere. Number of turns n is 100. The value of mu naught upon 4 pi is 10 raised to power minus 7. From here we will find the value of mu naught. It is 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7. The magnitude of magnetic field at the center of the coil is given by B is equal to mu naught Ni upon 2R. Put the values and get the answer. Next we have example 4.8. First we will read the question. In this figure, it is shown that a long straight wire of a circular cross section of radius A carrying steady current I. The current I is uniformly distributed across this cross section. Calculate the magnetic field in the range r less than a and r greater than a. So here in the given question we have a long straight wire with a circular cross section A. First we will consider a point P. That point P is at a distance r from the center of cross section such that r is greater than a. Now to find the magnetic field at that point, we need to draw an Amperian loop at a distance r greater than a. Here the Amperian loop is a circle. Now according to Ampere's circular law, for a straight wire, B into 2 pi r is equal to mu naught I. B is equal to mu naught I upon 2 pi r. So the B is inversely proportional to r. Now if the magnetic field in the case r less than a, हम क्या करेंगे? We will draw a circle of radius r such that r is less than a. Here L is equal to 2 pi r means the circumference is 2 pi r. Now the current which is enclosed by the smaller loop is IE. So IE will be equal to I into pi r square upon pi a square, which means IE will be equal to I into r square upon a square. Now we will apply Ampere's circular law here. We will get the value of B as B is equal to mu naught I upon 2 pi a square upon r, means magnetic field is directly proportional to r. Next we have example 4.9. A solenoid of length 0.5 meter has a radius of 1 centimeter, is made up of 500 turns. It carries a current of 5 ampere. What is the magnitude of magnetic field inside the solenoid? We know that the magnetic field inside the solenoid is B is equal to mu naught small n I, where small n is the number of turns per unit length, means the total length of solenoid divided by number of turns. First you will get the value of small n, then substitute the values and get the answer. Next we have example 4.10. The horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field at a certain place is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 5 Tesla, and the direction of the field is from south to north. A very long straight conductor carrying steady current of 1 ampere. What is the force per unit length on it when it is placed on the horizontal table in the direction east to west and south to north? Now here B is given as 3 into 10 raised to power minus 5 Tesla. I is 1 ampere. Force is equal to IBL sin theta. We need to calculate the force per unit length. That is small f is equal to capital F by L. That is IB sin theta. When the current is from east to west, the जो हमारा जो place किया है horizontal जो field है हमारा, it is from south to north. और जो हमने करंट इज फ्रॉम ईस्ट टू वेस्ट, तो थीटा विल बी इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. द एंगल बिटवीन द करंट एंड द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज 90 डिग्री. सो एफ विल बी आई बी, एंड व्हेन इट इज प्लेस फ्रॉम साउथ टू नॉर्थ, थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 डिग्री. सो साइन 0 is 0, so f is also 0. Hence there is no force on conductor. Okay students, now we have discussed some examples. Go through these, watch the video and discuss the answers in the class. Okay students, that's all for